The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, in your Subaru Forester IV alerts you to low tire pressure, improving safety and fuel efficiency. Your Forester IV uses direct sensors built into each tire to monitor pressure and temperature. These direct sensors are located in each tire and send wireless signals to your vehicle's dashboard. When pressure drops below 25% of recommended levels, a tire icon appears on your dashboard. Always check your tire pressure against the recommended levels shown on your door jamb sticker. This video will guide you through resetting the system when needed. Resetting your TPMS is crucial after tire rotations, pressure adjustments, or replacements. This recalibrates the system to prevent false alarms and ensure accurate monitoring. Always reset after any tire service to maintain proper function. Before resetting the TPMS, ensure all tires are inflated to the correct pressure. Check the sticker on your driver's side door jamb for the recommended PSI, which is typically 32 to 35 PSI. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. To access the TPMS reset menu, start by locating the Info button on the steering wheel. Use the multi-information display on the instrument cluster to navigate the menu. Press the Info button repeatedly until the odometer appears, then press and hold until the reset option flashes. From the menu, select TPMS or tire pressure using the plus or Maj buttons on the steering wheel. Once selected, press and hold the Info button for 2 to 3 seconds until reset or a confirmation message appears. The TPMS light should flash and then turn off. Now, drive your Forester for 10 to 20 minutes at speeds over 20 miles per hour. This allows the sensors to recalibrate and transmit new pressure data to the vehicle's ECU. If the TPMS light persists after driving, there might be a sensor issue. Ensure your sensors are properly matched to your vehicle. Consider using an OBD2 scanner to reprogram sensor IDs if necessary. If problems continue, consult a professional mechanic. For optimal performance, always use certified Subaru TPMS sensors. While newer vehicles feature integrated systems with smartphone connectivity and predictive analytics, your Forester IV depends on manual reset procedures. Remember that underinflated tires waste fuel and significantly increase the risk of tire failures. Resetting your TPMS after any tire maintenance is a crucial task for keeping your Subaru Forester IV safe and efficient.